My name is Ubah, and I work as a concept artist in film industry. Usually I work with the directors and production designers, and my job is to bring their vision to life. Before I start my paintings, often I have this intimidating moment where it's just me and this blank canvas in front of me. And occasionally it's very difficult to actually start painting because you have this imaginary world that you want to project on the screen, but all you're looking at is just a flat or blank canvas. So this is where at some point I started playing with the Canvas app from Nvidia, and I was actually very pleasantly surprised how it actually helped me to overcome that fear. Let me show you how it works. Over here I have different materials which I can select. For example, let me select the mountain brush here. I can just quickly create a shape. And what Canvas does, it uses its AI-driven algorithm and it tries to integrate it and create a way more polished version of what I was trying to do here. And as you can see, I'm getting something very interesting here. I can create a fog brush and just paint a little bit of fog. And you see how Canvas integrates that fog with those mountain shapes that I had before. I can select the sea brush, and then as you paint, you will see those things appearing in front of you. It's just mental. It's very interesting. Obviously, this is not what I intended initially to do. Let me pick up the grass brush here. Now, instead of having a sea in the foreground, now I have some grass fields, which is more what I was trying to do. Maybe we can select a stone wall, and then look at this. This is very exciting because all of a sudden, from the sea environment, I was able to convert it to a classic British countryside. Over here, I can change my mood very quickly. For example, right now I'm having some sort of a neutral lighting, but I can create a way more dramatic stuff by just clicking on these buttons here. What really excites me is that how brave I am in those decisions. I'm not afraid of a blank canvas anymore. I'm not afraid to make very big changes because I know there's always AI helping me out with details. So I can put all my effort into creative side of things, and I will let Canvas to handle the rest. All I will need to do in the final painting is just refine it. This is going to be a very solid base for my paint over. And I would just save it out as PSD and then just continue working it up in Photoshop. I do believe this will become very helpful, not only for concept artists, but to any creatives around the world who will be spending their time more on the creative side of things rather on technical aspects of this process.